Hello, I'm Nikki from Ray White. I'm here at 79A Ocean2view Road in Hillcrest. This is a wonderful home set back off the road but up on the ridge. It's light and bright and, as you can see, sunny and private. Come on inside and have a look. So there we go, multiple living options with several living areas, some lovely features, gas fireplace and beautiful light fittings. This is a light, bright, airy home with high-pitched ceilings, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and the garage. We look forward to seeing you at our open homes.